Facebook was still new. It was still new in 2014, 2013, 2014. Still couldn't convey why they needed it. And now look where it is now in my year 13 going into the year 14. I had to wait half of my career for things to finally pop. And my big breakout year was mid to late 2014. That's when things finally started to click. So 7 years of this, doing other things just to compensate for this. And then finally one day, I just remember one day I had 4 people ask me, can you run ads for me on Facebook in the same day? And I was like, I just doubled my client base in one day. How is this happening? And that was the beginning of what then evolved into Convert, where it is today, and running ads for people along the way. Of course, there's a lot more growing pains, but the first big break was in the later part of 2014 when everything started to click and people were doing articles about Facebook ads and people making millions of dollars with Facebook ads and selling shirts and jewelry and Shopify integrated with Facebook and all these things were happening. That was like 2013, 2014. That's when things really started to grow on the platform. And so that's when I finally had my break.